Okay, so today is move-in day. We are super excited. We have a lot of stuff to get to our new house. So we are hoping that we can get all that in one day, and we rented a truck, so we want to get everything loaded just in one load. I know, but let's see if that happens. We're crossing our fingers that it will happen. So yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you around and a little bit of everything, so stay tuned.
So here it is, guys. Welcome to our new home. And I wanted to show you guys the house without any furniture inside. That way you guys can have a clear picture of the house. Right now this is the living room / dining room. It has like a very open concept. I love it. So it has like a little chimney on the corner. The house has 3 rooms and 2 bathrooms, which I think I'm gonna make one of the rooms like a office for us. I think that'll be cute. This is the master bedroom, and on the left side is the bathroom. And I love this little part outside. Now it's time to meet the boys. My husband, my cousin, my brother, and my dad. We had to go to the storage unit to get all our stuff, and like I said at the beginning, we try to get all of the stuff to our house in one load on that truck. So that back in the house that night, we had everybody hands on deck, everyone. My auntie was there, my mom, my dad, my cousins. I mean, we had to get that done that day, and as you can see, we had a mess. So the next day, we couldn't finish putting everything away the day before. So the next day, I had my mom come and help me to put everything on the kitchen. I had my dad bring us water because for some reason they turned off the water that day. So my dad had to come back and get us water for a few days while we had the boys were helping me in the living room with my husband, my dad, my cousin, my brother. They were all helping me get the curtains up. One thing that people know about me is that I love curtains, and the first thing that I told my husband was, babe, we need to get these curtains put up ASAP. Like, I feel like the ugliest thing in a house is a house without curtains. I also have my uncle. He came to help us out. I love these two because my cousin and my uncle, they're always working together, but they're always fighting. And I love it because, I mean, you know, it's a love and not hate relationship, but they're always doing something. And this was like a couple of days later after we moved in, that we took all that stuff out of the way on the living room. I wanted the living room and the dining room to at least be all cleaned up and put up. But knowing myself, it took me a long time to see what was I gonna do. At the end of the video, you'll see how I rearranged the whole living room. But in this particular day, I was having so much trouble trying to figure out how I was gonna put my living room, like in what angle. And it took me a while to do that. So here it is, guys, after putting everything away. And this was like even a week after we moved in. As you can see, I rearranged my living room area in a way that I thought it would be more open and will make the living room look bigger, even though the living room is big. But here it is, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this little tour of our new home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.